Welcome back, coin crafters. Today we're diving deep into 5 rock-solid platforms that can put real money in your pocket starting as early as this week. I've personally tested each one and have the payment proof to back it up. Whether you're looking to earn some extra spending cash or build a serious income stream from home, these opportunities range from quick side gigs to potential full-time earnings. Stay tuned because I'm also giving you access to an exclusive bonus guide featuring 20 additional remote job sites. All the details are waiting for you in the description below. Let's start with Market Force, the premier mystery shopping platform that's been in business for over 50 years. Here's how it really works. You'll download their specialized app called Eyes On Global, where you receive specific assignments to evaluate businesses in your area. A typical 15-minute store evaluation pays around $13. Plus, you get fully reimbursed for any purchases you make during your visit. Imagine getting paid $25. Plus, enjoying a free $18 meal at Five Guys just for documenting your experience. Seeing shoppers who plan their routes strategically and easily earn $100 or more each month while stocking up on free products. You will need a smartphone with a good camera, reliable transportation, and sharp attention to detail to succeed here. Next up is CrowdTap, the opinion platform that's completely transformed market research. Forget about those endless surveys. CrowdTap breaks tasks into bite-sized 2 to 3 minute activities you can complete anywhere. The platform uses a smart tiered reward system. Basic members can earn $5 Amazon gift cards for about 30 minutes of work, while top contributors unlock premium video interviews, paying up to $180 per session. Through careful testing, I found that logging in daily and completing at least 10 quick polls before noon significantly boosts your earning potential. Last month alone, this strategy helped me earn $120. The platform is currently only available to U.S. residents, making it perfect for students, parents, or anyone with spare moments throughout their day. For all the knowledge entrepreneurs out there, StudyPool offers one of the most scalable tutoring models available today. Students post questions across dozens of subjects, from basic algebra to advanced dissertation help, and tutors bid on these assignments. The top performers on this platform are earning an incredible $7,500 monthly. Let me walk you through how this works. A single 45-minute calculus explanation can pay $82. The real secret to success here is specialization, focusing on high-demand subjects like nursing or computer science. Even more impressive are the study documents, reusable study guides that continue earning passive income. One tutor made $3,200 from a single organic chemistry packet. Payments start at just $15 and go straight to your PayPal account. Writers and content creators, this next platform will revolutionize how you work. Clear Voice connects you directly with premium clients, including Fortune 500 companies. Let me share some real numbers. Experienced writers are earning $375 for a single 2,000-word article, often completed in under 2 hours. The highest earners on this platform are making $77,000 annually by creating content packages for recurring clients. What makes Clear Voice stand out is their payment structure. They offer 50% upfront for new clients, with automatic weekly PayPal deposits. The platform has an impressive 4.3-star rating on Glassdoor, with 72% of writers recommending it to others in the industry. Finally, we have TimeBucks, the platform that turns your everyday internet activities into cash. While most get paid to sites aren't worth your time, TimeBucks stands out with its 4.4-star rating from over 7,200 user reviews. Here's the breakdown. Basic tasks like watching and commenting on videos pay 12 cents each, but the real earning potential comes from their referral program. By building a team of just 10 active users, I've created $40 in weekly passive income. Their dashboard shows your earnings in real time, and payments process every Thursday with a low $10 minimum threshold. While you won't get rich, strategic use during peak hours can generate $50 weekly with minimal effort. Remember, these aren't magical get-rich-quick schemes but legitimate, tested income streams. I recommend starting with just one platform that matches your current skills and availability. Commit to it for 30 days, track your results, and then consider expanding. I've created a special free workbook that includes all my templates, scripts, and strategies for each platform. It's waiting for you in the description below. If you found this valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to see part 2 covering 20 additional income sites, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep crafting those coins, and remember, your financial freedom starts with taking that first step today.